In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to import a MOGRT file, which is a motion graphics template file, into After Effects. First, let's start by going to the top bar and clicking on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Open Project. This will open a file browser window. Navigate to the MOGRT file you want to work with. I'll be using a specific MOGRT file as an example here. Once you've found the file, click on it to select, and then hit Open. After Effects will now ask where you want to extract the files from the MOGRT. What happens here is that After Effects will extract all the editable data from the MOGRT file and convert it into a new After Effects project file. To do this, create a new folder where you want to save these files. Make sure to name the folder something easy to remember. After that, click Extract. Once extracted, you've successfully opened the MOGRT file inside After Effects. If you check the folder you just created using File Explorer, you'll notice that After Effects has generated a new AEP file. This is the original After Effects project file, which contains all the editable elements of the MOGRT. You can use this file to make changes, create new MOGRTs, or simply edit the template. Now, back inside After Effects, if you plan to edit any of the components of the MOGRT, make sure your Essential Graphics panel is open. If you don't see it on your screen, go to the top bar, click on Window, and scroll down to find Essential Graphics. Make sure it's checked so the panel is visible. Once you're done editing the MOGRT in After Effects, the next step is to export it. To do that, simply go to the Essential Graphics and click the Export Motion Graphics template. It will ask you where you want to save the new file. Choose any location you prefer, that's it. You've now successfully imported and edited a MOGRT file in After Effects.